come when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come unwind it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing. Wake up with the sound of the sea. Palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high. No worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand. Freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody. Feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore. Smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go. Moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea. as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Yeah, yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me, on this wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me, on this wave of harmony.
Ici, just speak. Nothing noise, nothing noise.
May sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key, the truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true, leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within. Me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend, and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flows from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe, yeah. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
shaped by rain. Me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide, strong and wide, strong and wide. From valley floor to mountain heights, in every beat, in every tree, the ancestors still walk with me, yes, Jah, eternally. Them teach for shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king, me chant the line from which me spring. My language crack, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. It whispers stories never old. Me carry drum, me carry song. My roots remind me where me belong. Oh Jah, my roots stay strong. Let the echo bring back time. Chime sing low like sacred rhyme. Nyabinghi beat remind I soul. Me rooted deep, me fully wool. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan tree and open skies. Cause I and I may truly be a branch of one eternal tree. Roots run through me, through our mind, through every thought, through every sign. It holds me firm, it sets us free. Me blessings for no roots run through me. Yes, I eternally. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. From the hills to the sea, Jah message flow naturally. Truth rooted in the eye seen. They try to sell illusion sweet, but I and I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen. Gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with Jah's will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, ocean shore. We sing what Babylon ignore. My granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye. Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where it grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow. Me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone, in stillness me no feel alone. The move for sure, my move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, I trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creek. Ooh Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse, slow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trot slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise. eternally. Winds of truth blow through the land. Lift your head, overstand. This system try keep us blind, but love and faith will realign. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down unto no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Oh, Jah, Jah, guide our step each day. Yeah. They sell fear on every screen, but I live in love unseen. Meditate by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Ooh, Jah, lift us higher still. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time. Jah love all the time. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time.
Trap lights. This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath me feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, my soul it read. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees. Me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again Let the chimes sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when my pass, me ask one plea. Bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone. Just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct. Before you run, stop. Listen where you stand. Every land is holy land.
Me no need gun, my charm song. Jah is my shield, Jah is my calm. Rebel with a prior scene. Oh, I and I no follow man-made rule. Them build the system to keep me fooled. But I read the signs and seek the sound of roots and wisdom underground. With dreadlocks flying in the breeze, I walk with honor, live in peace. No violence in this heart of mine, just truth and rhythm in a time. I'm a rebel with the prior, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, just hold I near. So I rise and I chant, with every breath I give thanks. They try to divide me with skin and flag, but we come from the same old rag. From Africa to every shore, Jah children can't ignore. I and I rise above illusion. Don't feed the beast of confusion. My revolution, soft and slow, like rivers under moonlight flow. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. One light, one love, one flame. I don't march for gold or fame. Na 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 na. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I rise, with my prayer and Jah in my eyes. Rebel soul never die. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told.
No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. God bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold our near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I. You'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talking ancient code. Me feel Jah presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Jah voice comes slow in the wind, the whispers in the wind. Truth so clear, Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, I me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me nah climb tower to find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky, by every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise, floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin, just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow, let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf, let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong, been singing since creation's song. No need for rush, no need for spin, Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm.